Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss wave speed. So first we will define wave speed. I will write its definition as the distance travelled by the wave in unit time is called wave speed. Now the mathematical form we can write mathematically wave speed equal to distance travelled divided by time taken. Now if V represents wave speed, delta S represents distance travelled, and delta T represents time taken, then symbolically we can write this equation as that V is equal to delta S divided by delta T. Let's say it's our equation 1. But in case of wave speed, the distance travelled by the wave is equal to wavelength. So the distance travelled by the wave is equal to wavelength and time taken for one wavelength is its time period. Therefore we will replace delta S by the wavelength. So delta S will become the wavelength for the wave and delta T for time period. So time period is represented by capital T. So let's say this is equation 2 and this equation 3. Putting equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. So I will write first equation, first delta S divided by delta T, and now I will replace the values. So it will become lambda divided by capital T time period. So delta S is replaced by the wavelength of the wave while delta T is replaced by the time period of the wave. So I can also write this equation as V is equal to 1 over T multiply lambda. So this is the reciprocal of time period, and by definition the reciprocal of time period is equal to frequency. So I will mention here it is equation 4, and I will write that is 1 by T is equal to frequency, that is reciprocal of time period is equal to frequency of the wave. Frequency of the wave. Therefore we can write equation 4 as V is equal to 1 over T multiply lambda. Since 1 over T is equal to frequency, so I will write V is equal to F lambda. Let's say this is equation 5. So this equation 5 gives the formula for wave speed, in which it is clear that the speed of the wave is equal to product of frequency of the wave and wavelength. So I can write that this equation shows that speed of the wave is also defined as the product of frequency of wave and wavelength of the wave. So it means that the speed of the wave entirely depends upon the frequency of the wave and wavelength of the wave. By increasing the frequency and wavelength, the speed of the wave increases. But if we keep the frequency constant, then it depends entirely on the wavelength of the wave. And this equation is known as universal wave equation, because this equation is applicable to all types of wave, whether it is electromagnetic wave or mechanical wave or longitudinal wave or transverse wave. But this equation will be used for all those waves to find its speed. So therefore it is known as a universal wave equation. From this equation, if we are given the value of frequency and wavelength, then we can find the speed as by using this formula. And if we are given to find the wavelength, then this equation can be written as for wavelength as wavelength lambda is equal to V by F. Similarly, if we are given that we have to find the frequency, then this equation can be written as F is equal to V divided by lambda. So these three equations are used for finding the frequency, wavelength and speed of the wave depending upon the nature of the problem. And this is enough for today. Thanks.